Hello traders, welcome again, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna be talking about my forex fund. I'm gonna be giving my review on this prop firm called my forex fund. I've successfully passed the 20k challenge, evaluation challenge, and I'm about teaching you how I was able to go through the process and how you can become a funded trader. So I know some of you have been struggling to pass prop firm challenges, and you keep on losing your money to these prop firms, and it has been a struggle for you. But if you stick with me through the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys vital value and vital information on how to consistently pass any prop firm challenge, anyone at all. Like, I've discovered the real truth, I've discovered the secret, and I'm here to teach you how to do it. So you don't need to like or subscribe now or click or comment. I want you to watch till the end. Like, I have a lot to give you in this video. The value are priceless, so don't just rush to click the like. I just want you to stick with me through the end, and you decide if you're going to give it a like or subscribe and share. All right. So let's go straight to it. How I successfully passed my 20k challenge. This video is just for educational purpose. So, all right. So, for those that are new that might want to ask, what is my forex fund? So, my forex fund is basically a prop firm. Okay, I'm gonna explain what it means. So, my forex fund was founded in July 2020 with the goal of becoming the leading prop firm. So, how does it work? What my forex fund does is that they give money to professional, serious traders. Mark my words. Professional, serious traders that are ready to take their trading to the next level. So they provide capital for you to trade the markets efficiently, because one of the challenge we have as traders is that we lack huge capital. All right. So before you could grow your little $100 or $1,000 to a large amount of capital, it's going to take a lot of time. So what this company does is that they bridge that gap for you. They could give you $100,000 account, and once you make profits, you share with some percentage with them. Okay, so that's what the prop firm does. So my forex fund, like I abbreviated it as MFF. That's the abbreviation. Works like all prop trading firms that offer funded accounts. So they offer forex traders funding in exchange for an upfront fee. So you have to pay some amount of registration fee depending on the account you want. They have different account sizes and different registration fee, and a percentage of any profit that the trader generates. So the trader just has to demonstrate excellent risk management. That's one of their rule. Have to demonstrate good risk management, and by adhering to all MFS rules, that's my forex fund trading rules, and my forex funds will continue to fund you. So just abide to the rules. At least one of their major rules is that you don't lose 5% of your capital in a day. So if you can do that, trade well, make profits, you always be a funded trader. So you can check them out in the link in the description of this video. I placed the link there. You could, for those that are new, to check them out. So now that is just for the introduction. All right, sorry to bore you for the experienced ones. The introduction. Now my story with MFF. How did I started with my forex fund, and how did I pass the challenge? So I started with a 10k account. Uh, just getting in for the first time. I purchased a 10k account. You can see it was about $84 as at May 2022. Yeah, May 22nd of 2022, I purchased a 10k account. I paid with Bitcoin, and this was the trade I used in passing the phase one. So they have phase one and phase two. Phase one, you're supposed to make 8% profit, and phase two, you're supposed to make 5% profit. So the phase one, I could remember very well that This was one of the trade I used in passing the phase one, and I lost my 10K account on the phase two. Now, that means I lost more than 5% in the day. I'll explain how did it happen. So because of improper lot size calculation, I mistakenly made some mistakes in my lot size calculation. So the lesson learned was that I'm not going to risk more than 3% of my account a day. If you want to stay long in this prop firm, don't risk more than 3% of your account a day. So I would advise you use Forex automated lot size calculator. Okay, use Forex automated lot size calculator. So what really happened there was that, you know, um, major pairs, major currency pairs, and some other minor currency pairs, their lot size and pip calculation is not the same. So I usually trade Euro USD and most of the major currencies. So I think that day I calculated USD JPY. Most of the JPY pairs, the way you calculate their uh, pip and lot size is not the same for the major currencies. So that was how I made mistake, and I didn't calculate properly. I had to risk more than 4.5% of my account that day, and that was how I lost the my first 10K account. So the solution there is that use a Forex automated lot size calculator. One of my friends recommended it to me. I was like, wow, it's very easy. What you just do, uh, you, I'll put a link in the description of this video. So you just put in your balance, put in the number of pips, and put in the amount you want to risk, and it's going to tell you the lot size to use. Very easy, very simple. So you can download Forex Calculator 2 on your mobile phone, or use this one. I use this PC version from Cashback Forex. They have a Forex uh, automated lot size calculator. This was my congratulation mail when I passed the phase one. You can see you have passed phase one of the challenge, and after a few days, I lost the account because of the mistake I did in calculating my lot size very well. So after I had hatch breach, I bought a 20K account. So this was the mail, had breach detected. I lost about I think 4.7 or 4.8% of the accounts in a day. Roughly is about almost 5%, and I lost that was around July 13th, July. That was when I lost the first 10K account. So then I bought another account. I bought a 20K account, and when I bought the 20K account, I passed the phase one in just 2 days. 2 days of after buying the account, I passed the phase one. I risked 2% to get 4%. Here I risked 2%, I lost, and then here I recovered, and here I risked 2% to get 4%. So for the 20K account, 8% is about $1,600. So that was what I made just within 2 days of trading the account. Let me show you a screenshot of my dashboard. So this is it. Uh, this was, you can see they have a countdown for the phase one. You have to pass the phase one in 30 days, and then for the phase two, you have to pass it in 60 days. So that's how it works. So uh, just I think day one was the 30, and then day 29 was the second day I passed the phase one of my 20K account. You can see this happened in 3rd August. Okay, yeah, that was 3rd August. That was when I passed the phase one. And then after, now, MFF has a rule of minimum of 5 trading days. So whether you pass the phase one in 2 days of trading, you have to uh, wait for 5 days. You have to take trades for 5 days. They say their rule is that you have to trade for minimum 5 days, and before they could qualify that you've passed the phase one. So I just have to open trades, some little trades for the remaining 3 days, and that was how I got my mail, and then I went into the phase 2. Now, back to the phase 2. The phase 2, you have about 60 days to pass the phase 2. All right. So, because of excitement, it happens to almost everybody. Because of excitement, I traded phase 2 with hurry and I ended up with 11% drawdown. So, but I recovered on the very last day and I was given a retake. Now, look at what happened to me. This phase 2 was really, really a story to tell. So, when I started the phase 2 of the 20k account, just to make 5%, me that made 8% in a day, just to make 5%. The next day I started trading, I reached about 3% of the account and I lost. So when I lost, the next time I reached about 2%, I lost, and that was how the struggle started. Now, my Forex fund have a rule of you don't lose 12% of your account in a month. So if you lose 12% of your account in a month, the account is gone, like you've lost the account. So I had about 11.13% drawdown. That was around 15th September. So I'm glad there's a full screenshot you can see. So when I saw this drawdown, I don't want to lose the account. I'm like, what is happening? I can't lose the account. I traded this account for complete 60 days just to recover this account. But at lucky I could get, because I took my time to wait for a very good trade, I had to recover that account. So you can see on 7th October 2022, I took one big risk. This is the screenshot on my MT4. I made about $2,246, I think. Yeah, on that 20k account. So I recovered the account on day zero. You can see this is day zero. Day zero means after that day, the account is gone. And I did a miracle. I recovered the account just with one good trade. So I made about 12% on that account, and I came back. Okay, I was really up with about I think the drawdown then was about 8% or 7%. So I made about 12%, and that means I was up with about 3.22% profit. So all I needed to pass this was about let's say 2% again. So there was no time for me to trade more to pass, because the day was already over. So I had to get a retake. Now what MFF does is that if you're profitable and you're above the what's it called? You're above the balance that you started with, like you're above 20k, and your days are over, you've not still got to the profit target, they're going to give you a grace to do the challenge again. You're going to start from phase 1 again. You're going to have a retake. They just call it retake. So that was what I did. I had to start a retake, and then I started again with phase 1 of my 20k. So after I recovered, MFF, as part of their rule, gave me a free retake, and then I started all over again from phase 1. And this was one of the trade I used in passing phase 1. One gold trade, a sniper trade. I risked a lot on this trade. Now I'm going to explain to you. This is my email. It came about I think that was 9th November. So like throughout the second uh, part of 2022, I was trading my forex fund. Now it's not that I was trading every day, because I trade binary and forex. So some days I will just leave it. I'll be trading binary and I'll be making profit. Since I've not passed the challenge, I didn't really bother about profit. I was just doing other things, doing classes and just like that. So it doesn't mean I was not trade. I was really trading every day. Okay, so just to clear you on that. So now this is the magic. The phase 1 of 30 days, I passed the phase 1 on day zero. So I passed the phase 1 on day zero, on that was the 9th November. So this my 20K account. I got a retake. Some days I wouldn't trade for a week. I wouldn't see a clear signal because I like taking short signals. I might be trading binary, making profit there, doing other things. But at when I found out that I just have about 5 days left, I had to be patient, and I was not really on drawdown on this account. I didn't really have much drawdown, so I I think I was around about 4% or 5% drawdown on this phase one, and then that day I made about $3,256 just with that gold trade. I turned everything around and I passed the challenge in uh, just that day zero left. This countdown was counting from day 30 to day zero. That was when I passed the phase one of the 20K account. Then I got over to the phase two. This trade was the trade I used in passing the phase two. So you can see is Euro USD. I think it was this December. You can see the market was consolidating here, took out some lows, gave some good signs from buyers, and I just waited for a retracement, and then I bought. I reached about, I think I reached about 1.5% to get about 4.5% on this account. So, and that was how the trade went. This is the before, and this is the after chart. This was my entry, sniper entry, and I made good profits from this trade on Euro USD, and that was it. That was how I passed the phase two of my forex fund. So I passed the phase two in, should I say, 20 after like a few days, but what you can see here is about 33 days left. So I had about 60 days, so I passed it in 32 days. Um, or should I say 27 days? So that's it. The phase two was to make about 5%. So for my 20K account, 5% was just exactly $8,000, and that was how I passed it. And on the 8th of December, I I passed the phase two, and then I got my certificate. So this is the congratulating mail. Evaluation phase two. Congratulations once again. That was when I passed the phase two of my forex fund, and finally, I got my uh, certificate, and this is really worth it. It's really worth it. Trust me. So my forex fund statistics as at February, they posted a video on their Instagram, and I had to download the video. That video was so inspirational. They said only 14% of people crosses the phase two of most prop firm, and only 31% passes phase one. So you can see a lot of persons are losing money in this thing. A lot of persons are failing. If you default their rules, your registration fee is gone. So that's how they make money. But if you pass the phase two, they are going to refund you back your registration fee. Okay. So this is how I passed the uh, my forex fund challenge. So now, was it that I was not really trading, or I don't really have the knowledge to trade? Now, the thing is that this prop firm, what they do is that it just plays psychology game on you. It just puts in fear, and on the last day, I was just working my real potential because I have nothing to lose again. So the major problem traders have is just controlling their psychology to trade a prop firm account. So enough of the story now. I've given you my story how I was able to the hurdles I passed in phase one and phase two. So now this is the real part of this video, okay? So like I told you, stick with me through the end. I want to be sharing you the secrets of passing a funded challenge, because you can see I've gone through the highs and the lows. Like I've seen everything you can ever think of. All right, so now I've gotten the real uh, secret of passing any funded challenge. So there's a quote they posted on their Instagram that The hard work in trading comes in the preparation. The actual process of trading, however, should be effortless, and that's true. The secret to passing Founders Challenge is in your preparation. It's not about taking a lot of trade. It's in your planning and preparation. So if you could get that right, you're going to come out successful. So I think I might need to do this as a part 2 of this review, so some persons could just jump on this one. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to continue here as part 2 of this my forex fund review.